Let's go ahead with it. Yes, let's take a look at it. So 9 are saying, no, not interested, we'll think about it, we'll get back to you later, right now we are busy, blah, 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 blah. So you have to face 9 rejections before you get 1 yes. So unless your attitude is very positive, very optimistic, you cannot survive in sales, sir. You will be like fish out of water if you are not very positive in sales. So you have to be very, very positive, very optimistic. If you become negative, that's it. That's the end of the story. Isn't it? Yes. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yes. And your belief system should be very, very strong. You must believe in your product, in your company, in your service setup, everything. And very importantly, you must believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one is going to believe you. So, you must believe in yourself, you must believe in your product, you must believe in your company, totally, 100%. It's like missionaries, you know. You have heard of Africa right now. It's a civilized society, but 100 years back, 200 years back, how was Africa? Cannibals. They used to eat you. If you go and talk to them, try and sell something to them, they'll first of all put you in a nice, not cage actually, what do you call this? Cave. Pot. Nice pot, put some water, put some masala, and burn, and then once you are well cooked, they'll cut you into pieces and eat you. And missionaries from Europe went and made them, converted them into Christianity. Imagine that person's belief system. He is willing to give his life in what he believes in. So I'm not here propagating Christianity, no, sorry. But I'm just taking the example of selling. That man believes so much in the concept of God that he is willing to give up his life. That's the strength of the belief system. So a salesperson, I'm not saying that you should go and get eaten. No, that's not the point. Point is, you must believe in your product, in your company. If you're not buying your product, sir, I'm sorry, something is wrong with you. That is the kind of belief system you must generate within yourself. If you don't have it, then resign the job. Go and do something else. There are a lot of jobs available, believe me. Sales is not for you. If you don't believe in your product, if you don't believe in your company, no point working. There's no 99.9% virginity, is it? You can't say, sir, I am 99.99% virgin. Can you say that? 0.01% I'm not virgin. You are either virgin or you're not virgin. You either believe in your product or you don't believe in your product. Very, very, very important. Let me give you one small example to reinforce belief system. God. Is there a proof that God is existing? Can someone scientifically prove that God is there? Can you call God today? It's a belief system. You believe God is there, God is there. You believe God is not there, God is not. It's basically about how strong your belief is. Right? So, very important that you build your belief system. Perseverance. You cannot quit. You have to be at it till you achieve whatever that you want to achieve. Especially in sales. First time the person says no, no problem. Talk further. Second time, no, talk further. Third time, no, don't give up till you achieve what you want to achieve from that customer. Perseverance. Never give up. Daring. We go to new markets, new customers, unknown people, we try and build a relationship to someone who is totally unknown. You need that quality in sales. And daring, taking decisions, moving in, being dynamic. You take a group of people and mingle them. It's like auto rickshaws of Chennai. If you fly in a helicopter above Chennai, everybody will be moving like this except the auto fellow. Correct? Totally distinct. Similarly, sales people are different. You just put these sales people in a group of people, you will find one, a lot of people will be like talking, chatting up, meeting people, and they are sales people. Right? So daring, and of course, a combination of hard work and smart work. Both are essential. Now someone says that I am a very smart sales guy, I only work smart. Sorry sir. You need both hard work and smart work. And you can't say only hard work helps me. No. Today's time, you need a combination of these two. So these are aspects, qualities required to be successful in sales.